For the equestrian, we have here the proper outfit for park riding. The features are the gabardine or twill coat, the tattersall waistcoat, the cavalry twill breeches. We have the white riding stock, the cavalry twill breeches, and the black or tan boots.
For the equestrian, we have here the proper costume for park riding. The features are the gabardine or twill jacket, red tattersall waistcoat, cavalry twill breeches, the white riding stock, and black or tan boots.
Hello, Bert. How are you?
Hello, Wally. How are you?
Just great. That's a nice-looking outfit you got on.
That's my new club blazer. Our club has adopted these colors.
Oh, that's great.
That new golf suit you have?
Yes, one I just had made with the side pleats on to give me a little freedom because I always play in a golf coat.
Let's take a look at them. Well, that's a good idea. Seems very practical.
This garment, the Inverness Coat, is worn on all formal evening occasions. The silk hat, white gloves, a white tie, the white waistcoat are proper accessories with the full dress suit. This garment, the Inverness Coat, is worn on all formal evening occasions. The silk hat, white gloves, a white tie, and the white waistcoat are the proper accessories for the full dress suit. This is the proper garment for all formal occasions of the day: afternoon weddings, receptions, and for Sunday wear. The coat is single-breasted with a braided edge. The silk hat, tan waistcoat, striped trousers, light gloves, a dark cane, and light gray spats should be worn with this coat.
This is a sack suit for business wear, consisting of a single-breasted sack coat, double-breasted waistcoat, pleated trousers, and the bottoms of the trousers turned up or regular.
The Tuxedo Suit, which should be worn only for informal affairs in the evening. Oh gosh, cut it off. The tuxedo should be worn only for informal affairs in the evening. The wing collar, black tie with pointed ends, and black silk waistcoat properly accompany this suit.